Can you delete your recently played on Spotify? Hi guys, welcome back to a new tutorial video of 1-2-Step. If you also have this question on whether you can delete your recently played songs, then in this video I'm simply gonna answer it. Now when you open up your Spotify app, you can see this section which says recently played, and you can also view your recently played list by tapping on the timer icon or the clock icon on the top. As of now, Spotify does not have an option of deleting the existing recently played list. But however, I'm going to show you a separate way that you can prevent other people from viewing your recently played list on your Spotify account. So if you don't want others to view your listening history or your listening activity on Spotify, let me show you a way that you can avoid and remove this. Tap on the settings icon on the top right. From here, you just need to scroll down, and under socials, you can see an option of private sessions. Now by default, this would be toggled off, and the second option that you see is a listening activity which says share what I listen to with my followers on Spotify. If you have toggled this option on by default, you'll be sharing all of your listening history and your activity to your followers on Spotify. So the first thing that you can do is toggle this option off, and secondly, you can toggle the first option on which says private sessions. Now this is an option which lets you play songs anonymously so that other people won't be able to tell that you played any song, and they won't be able to see your listening history on Spotify. So that was the video on can you delete your recently played songs on Spotify. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more informative videos just like this. Thanks for watching.